Did you know a simple 60-second decision can completely transform your financial future? Yep, just 1 minute can set you on the path to success. Stick with me, and I'll show you how to flip the script on your money habits, starting now. Step 1. Pause. Take 10 seconds to ask yourself, what's my biggest financial goal? Maybe it's saving for a trip, paying off debt, or building wealth. Pinpoint what matters most to you. Step 2. Set a simple rule for your money. For example, save 10% of your income every time you get paid. Wait 24 hours before making impulse purchases, or track every dollar you spend today. Finally, step 3. Take immediate action. Right now, move $10 to savings, open a budget app, or unsubscribe from that shopping newsletter. Small steps lead to massive change. Remember, success with money isn't about big leaps. It's about consistent habits. You've got this. If you found this helpful, like this video, share it with someone who needs it, and hit subscribe for more quick tips to level up your life. See you next time.